Oh, look, another glorious morning. Makes me sick. Hello and happy Halloween. I'm Beth and I'm here with a quick video today to pull 2 prize draw winners for 2 very special prizes that I'm giving away. In celebration of my YouTube channel passing 20,000 subscribers. Firstly, thank you all so much for your heartfelt comments and messages left on my last video. I certainly wouldn't still be here without all of you, and I really appreciate all of the support that you show me here. A special thanks, of course, to all of my Patreon supporters too. They go above and beyond. Thank you. Before I draw them, I'll ask you not to name the winners in the comments below, so that it'll be a nice surprise for them when they watch. The first winner I'll draw is chosen from the comment section of my last video, where I asked you all to comment, put me in the prize draw to be eligible to win one of the 2 dress and apron sets I made for the Neo-sized Blythe dolls. The winner gets to choose which set I send them, and the other set will be offered first to my patrons and then added to my website shop if there's no takers. Okay, here's the site I'm using, commentpicker.com. I've added all the comments to the list, and if the comment contains the correct phrase, then they are our winner. Here we go. And here's our winner, CCP1W5L. Congratulations. I'll be in touch and I look forward to sending you your prize. The second of today's winners is chosen from all of my followers on Patreon. There's a lot of them. That wheel is packed. The winner of this draw will receive the special little witch, a custom Petite Blythe doll that I customised in last week's video. I'm using spinthewheel.app to choose this winner, and here we go. Our winner is Jessica. Congratulations. I'll message you too, and I look forward to sending you your prize. Let's all leave some love in the comments below for our winners, and thanks again to all of you for participating in my channel's milestone celebration. Please feel free to share my channel with anyone you think might enjoy it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and let's get to the next milestone so we can do all this again. Now, I'll go get back to my current project, which is my next commissioned custom Blythe for one of my custom doll tier members. Please look forward to seeing her soon. Happy Halloween, blessed Samhain, and have a wonderful weekend. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.